We'll start by making the dough first. Mix 200 grams of silken tofu together with 100 grams of glutinous rice flour. Just use your hand to mix, it's way easier than using a whisk. Mix it well and then pour the 100 grams of pancake mix. Here we are using the moringa. You can use any pancake mix that you have at home. And make sure it's no longer sticky. Just mix it. When it is no longer sticky, you can cut it into 4 because we are making 24 balls here. After that, cut it again into 6. And make a ball. My son really enjoyed this part. Roll, roll, roll. Once the dough is ready, you can preheat your Bruno to low to medium for 5 minutes before you grease it with oil. And you can start putting your dough in one by one. Be careful, there's oil inside, so you don't want to get a splatter. And just wait until it's golden brown. You gotta keep on turning. And once you see this golden brown, just take it out, put it on a tray to drain the oil. And then you're done. It's time to decorate your donuts. You can choose any toppings that you like. We are using Nutella and some sprinkles here. And you can put cheese or Oreo crumbs, any toppings that you love. And that's it. Thank you for watching.